This is a Storm Team 105 severe weather briefing.
Okay, good evening, and it is currently 9:17 p.m. Eastern Time as the recording of making this weather briefing, and it's 8:17 p.m. Central Time. So, taking a look at the storm tracker, let me stop at current time. We currently have some rain in the area, and like here. Wait, let me got some. Set this off to right here. So we got some rain showing up all the way like here, and also here too, just outside the area and into Effingham and Clay counties in Illinois. And so that's where we have some rain, and we do have some rain here too. Oops. Well, I don't know how that happened, but oops. But yeah, we do have some rain in the area. So yeah, we do have some rain in the area at this time I'm recording the briefing. So let's take you to the severe weather outlook. Alright, here's the severe weather outlook, and so on Tuesday there is a marginal risk up to the northwestern part of our area that is a level 1 out of 5, and we have a slight risk for Vermilion County, Illinois, and Fountain County, Indiana. That's a level 2 out of 5, and let's take a look at our probabilistic for Tuesday. We have that that 5%. Let me check it. Oh yeah, that probability of severe weather on the bottom right. I forgot to change it, so don't look at that. So 5% any severe risk for in the brown, and in the yellow 15% any severe risk. And that like black circled area with like on the top left of your screen, that like hatched area, that is that's the significant risk, like where they think the most significant part of the area, the significant area. And on Wednesday, nowhere in the valley is affected, but that could change. So we have to keep our eye on that. And so yeah, let's look at ways to get here's some ways you can get information from us. So yeah, here's some ways to get info from us. So ways to get information. Our X page at Storm Team 105, we post our maps, outlooks, and all that stuff on there. And another way to get information from us is what's happening? Another way to get information from us is our YouTube, where we post our forecast videos, live severe weather coverage, and forecast videos, and severe weather briefings, all that stuff on there. So yeah, that's gonna end this briefing, and have a great rest of your evening.